What's up, guys? Robbie C. Chilling, heading on into work. Just currently driving the Ford L8000 into work here. Driving down this little shitty bush road, as I'm sure you guys can see. Kind of a little shithole, but I can live with it. Truck handles well enough. Don't really know what much to tell you guys, but just figured I'd give you guys a quick video about what I do at work. So this is just me on my way there, actually. Just idling along 20 kilometers an hour down this little shitty bush road, and yeah, 20 kilometers an hour. Oh man, 20K. Going fast down here. Nice little drive though. Don't know much to tell you, but oh yeah, by the way, I shipped my truck without a clutch. After I get this gate opened up, I'll show you that. But welcome to the back. This is the mine that I've often talked about on SBA Tiny Chat. Welcome to the mine, guys. Congratulations. First ever video tour of the mine I work at. You guys are lucky. You're the first. But there's not too much about it. Just get this fucking lock open, this rusty old piece of shit. Might help if I have my key the right way. And if I had the right key. Sorry guys. There we go. But yeah, this is the mine I work at. It's been closed since 1989, and my father's company and I we got hired to open this place up again. But yeah, this is our mine that we're working on. It's not really ours, but this is where we're working. So here we go through the gate, and I don't know if you guys can see my foot. There's the clutch. Oh, fail. And apparently today, we have some surveyors in, so I gotta stop recording here, you guys, but here we are in the mine. So thanks for watching, guys. Smoke Rose 22 signing off. Peace, guys.